Hello everybody. Today I want to show you something. I have never done this before in my channels, and probably you would like to know too. So here is the package I just bought yesterday from Asian market. It's noodles. Actually, it's a udon, not the noodles. The name of this udon is the Tokusen udon. I don't know how to read this word. I just read it. I don't know. Is it correct, right or wrong? But I read Tokusen udon. Japanese style noodles, mass 5 servings, single servings. So this is Japanese noodles, the style noodles. And this package, the total of this package is they have a 36.45 ounces. That's 1,035 grams, or 1.035 kilograms. Each package this package has 7.29 ounces. Inside they have 5 packages, and this is Japanese, I believe Japanese. I don't know how to read, and this kind of look like Chinese to me. And this, I guess 5 servings. And they have a sell-by here too. I believe I did try this noodles before. Actually, this udon before. I think so, because I don't know the language, so I'm kind of not sure. I tried this udons before or not, because it's a package kind of looks similar to me when you don't know that's language, and then everything it look like something to you. Anyway, inside inside this package has soup base too. Look in the back. They have nutrition, calories. Never mind. I never pay attention to those stuff. I just buy home and oven. I cook and eat. I never do look at those stuff. Sometimes I just look at here ingredients. What they have inside here. But most of the time, rarely, because usually I try the new thing. If I like it, I buy more. If I don't, I don't buy it again. Also, they have contents. They wrote here the contents: wheat, soy, bonito, anchovies. Once not in most people like it. That is product of USA. And this they don't have exactly the manufacturing address, but they have distributed address. So we don't know. I don't know where exactly the location of manufacturing. Here, the inside they have what they have inside: wheat, water, tapioca starch, salt, lactic acid, sodium benzoate to be vegetables, natural flavor, enriched wheat flour, that includes flour, niacin, iron, thiamine, mononitrate. riboflavin, folic acid. The base, that's easy to understand like this. Noodles, they have wheat flour, enriched wheat flour, and tapioca starch, water, salt, lactic acid, sodium bondurate, and natural flavor. And the soup they have salt, sugar, monosodium glutamate, that's the MSG. Fish stock powder, hydrolyzed something. That's a lot of stuff. Let me see. Okay, let me see. In the fish stock powder, they have salt, monosodium glutamate, that's the MSG, sugar, bonito powder, bonito extract. Then they have hydrolyzed soy protein, dry bonito powders, dry bonito powder, soy sauce powder, soy sauce powder, and they have wheat soy sauce, soybean, salt, malto extreme, natural flavor, and natural flavor. They have inside natural flavor. They have fermented anchovies, melted extreme, salt, caramel color, seaweed powder, dry elixir, sodium carbonate, disodium inosine, disodium linoleic, soybean oil, silicon dioxide, sodium succinate. So I don't know how to I just read it. I don't know exactly how these words are read. Actually, I don't know how to read these words. I just read for you to get the fun. That's seeing how the food, and then that's it. Anyway, let's see this one because I never pay attention to let me see. Nutrition pack for one package is 195 grams. The calories is 260 per serving. Fat 0, cholesterol 0%, sodium 31%, total carbohydrate 20%, and that's so. So you know you don't there's no fat in here. And then this is how to cook. Yes, they show us how to cook here. Cooking direction for one serving. You add noodle to 1.5 cups of boiling water. Cook 2-3 minutes. And then add soup base just before turning off turn off heat. And then serve immediately. Okay, let's open inside, see what this will look like, okay? And then let me open it. How to open it? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the soup base 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the 5 package.